Okay, so I got all of the old pallet stuff out of the way, brought in all of the second pallet stuff, got my shipments out today, ran to the post office, grabbed myself lunch, and now we're on to pallet 2. This is the unmanifested pallet, or most, like 95% was unmanifested. So I wanted to kind of look before I get into it to see what I'm expecting. So the price was $1998.20, but it was 20% off, so I got it for about $1,600, and then the shipping. Again, the two together, I spent $3,350 some for both pallets. This is supposed to have 195 units. Average unit price $10.25 for what I spent, except for I got the discount, so it actually all comes down to a little less than $9. An average unit retail value of $52.03 for a total retail value for everything I got of approximately $10,000. My price was 34% of wholesale. So the only items that I know I'm getting, here's their general housewares, and that's 188 items, and they're claiming those are an average unit retail $52, $9,776 total retail of the items that are unmanifested. And that is 96% of my pallet. So then I know I'm going to get a Homedics diffuser, estimated retail about $99, and a Nespresso machine, Nespresso milk frother, estimated retail $99, a Homedics, or a Joy, steamer deluxe. There's supposed to be 3 of those for a $29.99 each retail. Imprint mats, so kitchen mats, 1 for $59.99, and then a red copper frying pan for $19.99. So those are the only things I know for sure. I only looked because the one thing that I can see from the pallets, everything else was in boxes. The one thing that I can see is this towel warmer, and I looked it up and it's going for like $400+ on Amazon. So, and that's not on the manifest. That's not one of the few items that I know. Now, obviously, the box is badly dinged up, so I will investigate the insides. But I am hoping that that is somewhere near true to its value, and that whatever is in all of these boxes is anywhere near as close in value would be amazing. But the boxes aren't quite that small, and I'm supposed to have, or that big, and I'm supposed to have 195 items. So here we go. All right, here we go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 giant boxes of unknowns, and then I've got this towel warmer. The box is beyond filthy. This was at the very top of the pallet and obviously was sitting for a while. But looking in, it looks like I see at least the plastic wrap that's just dirt on it. Very filthy. I will definitely be opening it and checking everything out. But this might make or break the pallet because, like I said, that might be a $400 flip there. So let's get into this. Let's see. Okay. These are definitely unmanifested. Oh, no, they have a UPC. Macy's, $12.50. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, wine holder. On sale for $3.53. And there's a couple of these, so those are obviously counting towards my $52 retail price estimate. 4 of those. So let's set them behind me. Come on, good stuff. I don't know what these are. Skateboard amplifiers. $45 retail price. It also has a UPC though. Thought that everything, a pink one. Thought that everything unmanifested was not scannable, so those have UPCs. This is $54.50. It is definitely open and amplifier. It's got some marks on it, but maybe there's some money there. Not bad. I really can't imagine anybody paying near $45, which is probably why they were on sale, but that's not too far off the $52 retail estimate. Oh, there's something under them on that side too, of course. Let's see. Stationery. Thanks, encouragement, birthday, congrats, get well. $24.50. Look how filthy my nails are. Oh my goodness, I'll hide those. $6.93 sale price. I see a couple of those. And something else. What's this? There we go. Dream. $24.50, $6.93 sale price. Fun little neon sign. Looks like a couple more of, oh no, this is something else. $29.50, bright pink photo frame, I guess, acrylic photo frame. And another dream sign, another photo frame, acrylic present. Interesting. Oh, unfolds into a little present stand. $34.50. Wow. Looks like 6 of those maybe? What's this? Ice tray. X's and hearts. Those are kind of cute, but only $14.50 retail price. I don't get that because these all have UPCs, so why couldn't they be scanned? And they all have prices right on them, so you can't tell me you had to use a $52 estimate because you didn't have another way of determining the price. Something else is under here. Whole bunch of labels that didn't get put on. Acrylic cake stand. That's kind of fun. $38.50. That's not bad, on sale for $19.25. That I at least see somebody buying. That'd be fun for a party. And there's 6 of those, it looks like. And got some more acrylic photo frames. 3 more of those. So, oh boy, I don't know. I'm scared to look at the other ones. One of them I know because it was easy to peek in. I know one of them was a box of yoga mats, and I think that's this one. I could see the edge of them, but that means there's not a whole lot of pieces in here to get to my 195. All of these boxes, by the way, were exceptionally heavy. I almost broke into them to carry them in just to make it a little easier. But I am not too upset with yoga mats because they do well, and if I can sell them FBA, it won't be so bad on shipping. But I am pretty sure I am blocked on that brand, the Game. I think I had some other like weights things that were that brand, and I was not allowed to list on Amazon. But these might do okay locally. $34.99, $9.53. If I can't send them into Amazon, because when I send them to Amazon, then shipping is not atrocious, and they take on the expense. There's some more. Oh, these are different. Oh no, it's the same brand. I like these though. The feel of that. I might be stealing myself a new yoga mat. Wow. So, okay, I think they're all that brand, just different colors. And then there is some other stuff hanging out down here. Total Body Massage Roller. That's kind of cool. But it is the same brand, so if I am not allowed to sell it on Amazon, then... And they're only $19.99, $5.43 sale price. So still I haven't seen... Have I seen one item? I don't think I've seen anything yet that is actually meets the $52 average, other than the $400 whatchamacallit. Oh, there's, I guess you can't see in there as much as I can't reach, but there's a yoga towel, it looks like, that are buried at the bottom. That I'll have to take these out to get to. But that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. Just about 20 items total in that box. So this one is more junk, it looks like. It's funny because the junk stuff is all the stuff in the excellent condition. $24.50. This is some more of those stationery cards, and it looks like there's a whole bunch of these in this box. What are these? Stainless steel flasks. Bright colored. Lots of different colors. Pink, blue, yellow. A whole bunch of those. Coasters, cheers, flasks. What do these say for price? $24.50 on sale. Yeah, $24.50 for all of those. $24.50. Yeah. More frames, $29.50. Oh, I'm hoping these go on Amazon. I don't know with all of these. Another acrylic cake stand. This box is just a hodgepodge, but it looks like it's all the same stuff as that first one. Cheers. Oops, this way. Cheers. A little acrylic stand. Oh, this is funny. Whoa. Tumble tower. That's cool. It's like Jenga, but with acrylic blocks. Let's see what the price is. $99.50. Wow. There we go. There's my big money in an acrylic Jenga set. $27.33 was the sale price. I hope there's more of those down there. I don't know if they'll sell for anything like that, but oh, yep, there's at least one. There's at least one. Looks like this whole row down is all the photo frames. And a bunch more of the cards down there. I think I've got a good enough idea of that box. Hopefully I can remove those clearance stickers, and you know, even if I can get 12 or 13 bucks for the $24 items, then I'm still making a profit, even though their estimate is way low. So these last two boxes hold. This has something big in it. Oh, but I see more flasks and stuff underneath. Let's see. This anti-fatigue cushioning system. This must be the mat, maybe the floor mat that was on my manifest, which was like $99 or something. It says, oh, $59. $59.99 on sale for $49. It does look like it still has its plastic coating. I will pull it out and see what condition it's in, because the box is awful, but who knows, that might be alright. Oh, this box was in there too, I forgot. I set that one off on the couch. These must be the other mats, maybe? I think they were, oh, I just set it on a dirty box and got it filthy instantly. And these truly have no UPC, so I can understand them being unmanifested, but I am making them filthier by the minute. I'm going to set these over here. I'm sure I can clean that up, but I don't even see any markings. Oh wait. Modern Twist is the brand. They're cute. We'll see. Another flask. This Buzz Massager. He's broken out of his pack, but looks new. I don't see a price anywhere on him, but I do see a UPC, so he should have been scannable. Custom sneaker kit, J Goods. Everything you need to paint your favorite leather and canvas sneakers. That's kind of cool. Don't see a price on it, but again, there's definitely a scannable UPC. Oh, more of those skateboard things. And I hope I find some skateboard things. This is the steamer. $29.99. It looks essentially unused in there. It's definitely cracked open though. I'll have to check that out. My steamer that I bought was so cheap anyway that I don't even know how they shipped it for the price I got it, but this is Swell. I think it's just a giant water bottle. Oh, there we go. Insulated stainless steel water bottle. $15. And another one. But this one appears to be opened and rubber band together. I want to set them on the next pallet because then I won't be able to get to it. More of the ice cube trays. $14.50. More skateboards, lots of skateboards. If anybody needs a skateboard amplifier, let me know, because I think I can hook you up. This is a yoga block, I guess. A crazy corkboard yoga block. No UPC or anything on it, but it is that same Diam brand, and there appears to be 4 of those. It's dark in this box. And there's some more. Oh, this one has the wrapping on it. Let's see. $19.99 for those. There's some more down on this side. And then another amplifier. And it looks like 2 more of those amplifiers. These ones actually seem to have their packaging. Seem to be still packaged, I should say. So, okay, there's maybe money in that box. Really hoping for something for these yoga mats. They are going to be expensive to ship, but if I can do it on Amazon, I won't worry about it. Okay. Squeezing in here, trying to find myself some space. Alright, this looks like a fun box. Okay, here's the diffuser. I think there should be, didn't it say 3 of these maybe? So there's one of the diffusers, Elia, $99.99. That was on the manifest. Here is the Nespresso milk frother. That was on the manifest. And the frying pan also on the manifest. $24.99 for that. Okay, now another flask. Some fun smiley face water bottles, but they do look, oops, a little damaged, now a little more damaged. Originally $16. But who knows, that might be something I even just lot up a couple of them together and sell them on Mercari or something. Somebody will want them for their family of 4, I guess. I have 4 of them. So that everybody can have their own. And then similar ones, $16, fun tie-dye. Water bottles do well though. I wouldn't think they do, and I don't really like selling them individually because I just don't feel like people should pay for $16 for a water bottle. But another steamer. This one's obviously opened, and I'm just gonna set that off in that box. And another steamer. I'll test them though. I got plenty of things around here I can test these steamers on. See how they do it, if there's any used market for them. Some more of these massagers. Let's see, more ice trays. Massagers. Anything new that we haven't seen yet? Balloon dog light. Just squeeze the dog's leg to turn the light on and off. Interesting. And $24.99. Okay. Massager, 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 massager. I want to see what these things are. Here we go. Star shower. Oh my goodness, these things. They were all the fad like 4 years ago, and then everybody had them, and then the last 2 Christmases they were like crazy oversaturated in all the stores, and I saw them all going into clearance after the holiday. I didn't pick up any because I just figured that fad had ended, but it looks like I've got 3 of these. Who knows, I might keep one. My daughter wants one every year that we see them on other houses. So more flasks, more massagers. Oops. A different kind of massager. Oh no, this is a speaker. A pig speaker. Massager. What's this? Wireless mobile projector. Come on, value, be a good one. Where are you gonna tell me? $299. Okay, this might be another golden ticket in this batch. And this is something. Travel mini bar. I'm intrigued. I'm gonna have to crack that open and see what a travel mini bar is. But that's cool. Something different at least. Another speaker, another massager. And this thing is the last unknown. Whoa! Volumizing Hot Rollers Luxe. Okay. And it looks in pretty awesome shape. Let me see, I'm not seeing a price. It doesn't have an estimated price, and the seal is broken. So I'll check it out. But similar items, I've seen it before, so there we go. So the last box, I don't know where I put my slicer. Here it is. This was also up on the top of that tower. This one is closed. Interesting. Okay. They didn't know that I would be getting any clothes. Say what? Size 2X. Long dress. Doesn't have a price amount on there. I'm very intrigued. I thought maybe when I popped it open and saw clothes in there that this was a box from somewhere else in my supply that was not supposed to be here. But Style & Co. extra large. Oops. Those both at least have tags on them, so I know I can get 15 to 20 for each of those so far. Karen Scott. I at least know clothes. It's very hard to hold these up and look. $29.50, now $9.99. Just a olive green t-shirt. This is crazy. And they're all like tangled and thrown in here. Like a complete afterthought. Woo! INC. International Concepts. Size large. This is probably like a $90. Oh no, you can kind of see it. $54.50. Okay. This is a super soft sweater dress, BCX dress, size 1X. Super soft. Let's see. $59.99. I'm very confused. Very confused. INC white pants, straight leg jeans. Original price $79.50. I'm gonna have to count these items because there's a lot of little items. I want to see if I actually got 195 and if that's with or without the box of clothes. $70 for this NY New York collection dress. I'm actually not too upset about these clothes. All of them are in decent sellable brands and styles, and this will be something I can practice, try out those steamers with. Mason jewels, size medium, $59.50. If I didn't sell clothes at all, though, I might be a little upset with this, but since that's primarily what I sell, I'm not going to complain. Kenzie, size large, nice ivory, like rayon material, $69. Just a couple left, and that finishes off this palette. Mason jewels again, size large, $69.50. Little ivory blouse with pretty beads on the top. And the last one is Charter Club, size medium, $99.50. A short sleeve, lacy, black midi dress. It's actually kind of pretty. And that's the end. So, yeah. Let's see how many pieces of clothes there were. So I want to count all of this stuff and see what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, 11 articles of clothing, so I should have 184 total items, and that's probably pretty likely considering there's a lot of skinny little tiny things. But there you go, that's my palette. So let me know what you think. I'm going to take a couple days to go through all of this stuff, open boxes, figure out what's broken, what needs parts, what's complete, what can be sold as new or used or damaged, what has to be completely thrown out, which just a heads up, I already threw out the bag of nuts and the completely shattered baking dish from the last pallet. So a couple things gone already. But I am going to count everything up, see how close to the 377 total items between the two pallets that I actually got, and figure out what I can sell, what I can't sell, where I'm going to sell it all, and that will be my next video. But give me a couple days because I am feeling a little claustrophobic at the moment, surrounded by stuff, soda stream makers, and everything everywhere, so it'll take me a few days to get through everything and hopefully get a couple boxes on their way to Amazon. I am going to keep a running tally of all of my expenses, so right now all I have is the expenses for the pallets and the shipping, but I'll add in all of my expenses for like shipping items to Amazon, and then obviously as things sell, the fees associated with the sale and the shipping and blah blah blah, and keep a running tally just for this merchandise to see how these two pallets do. I don't know about all this little stuff, but there are some good things in this palette, and I almost like this 95% manifested palette or unmanifested palette better than the 50% unmanifested palette. And I'm going to try to figure out too what the actual average for all of the non-manifested stuff is, because there were there's a $400 potential item and a $300 or $250 or something. So maybe the average for them is close to that 50, but there's a lot of 24.50s, I think it was, and a few 19.99s and 29.50s. So we'll see. I don't have any clue how all that acrylic stuff will do. I don't really have much faith in that, but we'll see. So that'll be my next video. I will let you know exactly how much stuff was actually sellable and a new, better idea of what I anticipate that I will profit from these 2 pallets. And then I'll keep doing a running total of where I'm at until I order more pallets. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. And if anybody wants a skateboard amplifier, let me know. Or any acrylic fun little thing like that. I got plenty. Bye, guys.